Hello YouTube. Today I want to talk about new version of Ableton 12 and new auto filter. It's fucking amazing for Goa Trance. I just love it. So look, I just will show you my my remix, what I'm doing on my latest released track on Goa Records, Cryptic Optic track, and I want to show you first on this tab. Look, for we have this tab here. Take a little bit down the volume. 1 second. In context. Nothing special, but look, check about now. Here I have the group with auto filter. I put +5 semitones on the pitch. I choose the wobble filter, and I set the LFO amplitude, I guess, into 76%, and I select the rate mode in the sync and in the 3 bars, so it will be evolving, a little bit drive, and I add a little bit of dry wet too, and check this out how it sounds now. Look at this. All right, maybe we can try later to do different things with it, but I will show you also how it works on this just simple loop. Check this out. Look, I have a loop like this. Nothing special, but check this out. I put 2 auto filters one by one. Maybe I will show you first this one. This is the Notch+LP. Here is, as you can see, LFO is not big. Rate on 1 Hz, and I put envelope 100 to almost 100%. And here I go with dry wet 60%, and check this out now. All right, it's making just a little bit more crazy things, but now I after this I put band-pass filter also on envelope, and check how immediately I get the old school kind of percussion sound. Amazing, just amazing. Really simple thing, and you can make something very interesting. For example, check here. If I will add envelope, we need to adjust the frequency. I'll turn off this one. I will go backwards. Look at this. For example, let's go into synced. And let's try to find some nice settings. Oh, look at this. Sorry, CPU. Amazing, you can find really nice solutions for effects, for elites, everything. And different, let's try different filter. For example, this one. It's a computer. Look at this. I will go with Morph. Synced. Look at this. Oh yeah. Immediately you have a Goa Trance sound. Maybe alone with a bass. I will change the morph. Look at this. Now I'll change the rate. Amazing. And you can try different filter settings. And you can also change here the wave, and here you can change the morph. Look at this. I will change the envelope now. Amazing. You can, let's try some different waves, for example, so. Oh, this is SMH116. Look at this. Amazing. Look at this. Oh yeah, this one is really good. So now we have immediately like old school Goa feeling. And you can do frequency modulation. Let's check 116. Crazy. Oh yeah. So basically you can use it on everything and it will sound amazing. And the last thing I want to show you today is this beat sound. I mean, this actually it's acid. As it's an acid, I will first this, and this. All right. Okay, and it will be here. Okay, and check this out. Look, now I had something like this. Some very nice acid from 𝗘-𝗶𝗹, but check what happened if I add 2 auto filters one by one. One is the Notch, I guess. Yeah, Notch and Band-Pass. Yeah, Band-Pass. Check this out. Amazing. It sounds totally different. Look at this. Look. Once again. I will go in. Oh, here. Look. Look. You can add more drive. Oh, look at this. Look. Or you can go even slower. Look at this. Amazing. Right. So check with in the context. Will be here. Amazing, amazing. Guys, tell me what you think in the comments. What do you think about auto filter? New auto filter in Ableton 12. I just love it, and it can make your sound more crazy, more evolve. Amazing, just amazing. Really love it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. Follow me on Instagram, and see you in next tutorial.